Next, we are going to cover carbon copy and blind carbon copy. First of all, you're going to have to open a new message. So we are going to click the new message button in the top left-hand corner, and we have a blank screen. Okay, so we're going to type to, so that's going to go to the person. Okay, now in the right corner of that screen, you'll see it says CC and BCC. CC is carbon copy. So when you click that, you get a new spot to add another email. So what happens when you click the CC? The person who you're sending it to, the email to, will see that this person in the CC has also received a copy of the email. If you click BCC, which is blind carbon copy, you'll see it gives you another spot for another email address or more than one email address. And we're going to type one in there. BCC is a blind carbon copy. So that means that they are getting a copy of the email, but neither one of those two or the carbon copy person will see that they also received a copy of the email. So we're going to say hi, and we're going to go down into the body of the message. And again, all you have to do is hit send. And that is how you use carbon copy and blind carbon copy.